Today is February 14, 2026, a day often marked by symbols of love and commitment. And among the most enduring of these symbols is the diamond. For generations, its sparkle has represented enduring affection and timeless beauty. But today, the story of the diamond has a new chapter. We are no longer limited to a single path when choosing one. Natural diamonds, born of the earth, lab-grown diamonds, created by human ingenuity. This is a guide to help you understand both options. This is not a story of good versus bad, nor real versus fake. It's a tale of two origins, each with its own narrative and considerations. We'll give you clear, simple facts. Our goal: empower you with knowledge and confidence. The best diamond aligns with your values, your budget, and your heart. Choosing a diamond is a significant moment. Before we can compare natural and lab-grown diamonds, we must first understand what a diamond truly is at its core. A diamond is a crystal made entirely of carbon atoms. Those atoms form a tightly bonded specific structure. That structure makes diamond the hardest natural substance on Earth. It also lets diamonds interact with light, producing brilliant sparkle, fire, that has captivated humanity for centuries. A diamond is pure carbon, crystallized into a beautiful, durable form. When jewelers say the 4 C's, they mean the main grading characteristics. Cut, color, clarity. Carat. Cut isn't the stone's shape, it's how facets are angled and proportioned to reflect light. A well-cut diamond sparkles more. Color favors the absence of color. Clarity measures minute imperfections. Carat is weight. Together they define appearance and value. A natural diamond is a miracle of time and geology. Its story begins incredibly deep within the earth, about 100 miles below the surface, in the mantle. Here, for periods ranging from 1 billion years to over 3 billion years, carbon atoms were subjected to immense heat and crushing pressure. This forced carbon to bond into the rigid crystalline structure that defines a diamond. These precious crystals lay dormant deep within the earth until ancient volcanic eruptions brought them toward the surface. These deep source explosions formed kimberlite and lamperite pipes, the primary sources mined today. Pipes act as time capsules, preserving diamonds from their birthplace. The journey is long and complex. Once discovered, large-scale mining begins. Tons of rock are moved to recover rough diamonds that often look like dull glass. Stones are sorted, and gem-quality rough goes to expert cutters. Art and science transform rough into faceted gems to maximize brilliance. Natural diamonds carry ancient origins and rarity, but the history includes conflict and environmental impact, driving demand for traceability, ethical sourcing, safe conditions, and rehabilitation. A lab-grown diamond, also known as a man-made or cultured diamond, tells a different origin story. It is a story of scientific achievement rather than geological chance. These are genuine diamonds grown in controlled environments. Scientists recreate mantle conditions using advanced technology. There are 2 primary methods, HPHT and CVD. Both methods start with a tiny diamond seed, a small sliver of a pre-existing diamond. HPHT surrounds the seed with carbon, extreme heat near 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit, and about 1.5 million psi, crystallizing atom by atom over weeks. It condenses billions of years into months. CVD places the seed in a vacuum with carbon-rich gases. Plasma breaks them down, so carbon rains onto the seed layer by layer. CVD uses lower pressures and temperatures and is popular for high-quality gems. Both yield rough diamonds chemically and physically identical to mined. After growth, the journey mirrors naturals, planned, cut, and polished for maximum fire. To the naked eye, indistinguishable from natural. Brands like Eco Diamonds of Minnesota, Champion USA made lab-grown diamonds, modern, ethical, often more affordable without sacrificing quality or beauty, an option that aligns with contemporary values and budgets. Section 5. Identical twins. How natural and lab-grown diamonds are the same. 2 identical-looking engagement rings side by side. Can you tell the difference? Lab-grown and natural are, for practical purposes, the same thing. They are not fakes, not cubic zirconia, not moissanite. A lab-grown diamond is a real diamond, exact same chemical composition, pure carbon in a crystal lattice, same physical properties, hardness 10 on the Mohs scale, exceptionally durable for daily wear. Identical visual and optical behavior, fire, brilliance, and scintillation. With the same 4 C's, they are visually indistinguishable. Not even a trained jeweler with a loupe can tell. It takes specialized lab equipment. Both are graded by the same institutions using the same scales. A lab-grown GIA report states laboratory-grown, with a full analysis, transparency and standards upheld. Choosing lab-grown doesn't compromise beauty, durability, or essence. The only difference is the story: ancient geology versus modern technology. Section 6. The defining differences: price, planet, provenance. While physically identical, there are key differences buyers should consider. The most significant is price. Lab-grown diamonds are considerably more affordable for the same size and quality, often 30 to 50% less, sometimes more, because lab-grown supply chains are shorter and more efficient. Mining is costly and labor-intensive. Lab production has streamlined. This lets you save money, or step up in size or quality within the same budget. Environmental and ethical impact. Provenance also matters. Traditional mining moves massive amounts of earth, uses large quantities of water, and can disrupt ecosystems. Standards like the Kimberley process help prevent conflict diamonds, but labor conditions and community impacts remain concerns for some buyers. Many explore alternatives for ethical reasons. Origin stories matter. Clear, conflict-free documentation builds trust. Lab-grown diamonds are created in controlled settings, free from conflict mining humanitarian concerns. They can have lower environmental impact, but growth is energy-intensive. Sustainability depends on the energy source. Renewables cut the footprint significantly. Look for transparent producers like Eco Diamonds of Minnesota, who disclose energy and sustainability practices. Section 7. The proof is in the paper. Why certification matters. Whether you prefer natural or lab-grown, insist on a reputable certificate. A grading report is an independent lab's detailed assessment, the diamond's blueprint. It's your most powerful tool to ensure you get exactly what you pay for, with peace of mind. GIA and IGI are renowned for strict, consistent, impartial grading. Gemologists measure cut, color, clarity, and carat weight, and issue definitive reports. Reports also state origin, natural or laboratory grown, to ensure transparency. Certificates let you fairly compare subtle differences that explain pricing. They're essential for insurance replacement matching size and quality. Always ask to see the certificate. Don't settle for internal appraisals. Insist on GIA or IGI. Transparent sellers like Eco Diamonds of Minnesota ensure every item is certified. Your assurance of authenticity and quality. Section 8. Making your choice. A diamond that truly fits you. We have journeyed through the worlds of both natural and lab-grown diamonds. One is a product of ancient geology, the other a marvel of modern science. Though origins differ, their physical essence, their embodying sparkle and strength is identical. The choice isn't which is better, it's which is better for you. Balance your budget, your values, and your priorities. If maximizing size and quality for budget is key, a lab-grown diamond is an exceptional, cost-saving choice. If ethics and traceability matter, a lab-grown diamond from a transparent USA producer provides a clear path. If you're captivated by rarity and ancient origin, a natural diamond may be your perfect match and potential heirloom. Be sure documentation confirms conflict-free sourcing. In the end, the perfect diamond makes your heart sing. Whether formed deep in the earth or grown in a state-of-the-art lab, its true value is the joy and meaning it brings. Keep learning, ask questions, and shop with transparent jewelers like Eco Diamonds of Minnesota.